Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative product that's sure to delight anyone who loves crafting and accessories. We recently discovered the original Squishmallows Bracelet Design Set, and we've included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Squishmallows Bracelet Design Set is a charming jewelry making kit that allows you to create over 25 unique accessories. It's perfect for anyone who wants to express their personal style through handmade jewelry. This kit encourages creativity and self-expression while also providing a fun way to connect with friends and family. One of the standout features of this kit is the ability to mix and match hundreds of colorful beads. You also get 10 adorable enamel charms representing some of the most beloved Squishmallows, including characters like Junie the Banana, Patty the Cow, and Wendy the Frog. These charms add a playful touch to your creations and make it easy to showcase your favorite characters in your designs. Another exciting element of the kit is the inclusion of gold letter charms that spell out Squish, along with funky Squishmallows slider charms. These additional charms elevate your designs even further, allowing for even more personalization and creativity. Whether you want to create a simple bracelet or a more intricate piece, the options are nearly endless. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. The Squishmallows Bracelet Design Set is designed for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone with more experience in jewelry making, this kit comes with a fun project guide filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration. It's a great way to introduce young crafters to the world of accessory design, while also providing seasoned creators with new ideas and materials to work with. In terms of practical use cases, this kit is perfect for a variety of occasions. If you're looking for a fun activity for a birthday party or a sleepover, this bracelet making kit is a fantastic choice. It's also great for rainy days when you're looking for an engaging indoor activity. You can create matching friendship bracelets with your friends or family members, making it an ideal project for bonding and sharing creativity. Plus, these handmade accessories make wonderful gifts that carry a personal touch. What I love most about the Squishmallows Bracelet Design Set is how it encourages social interaction and creativity. It's not just about making jewelry, it's about creating lasting memories with friends or family as you design and trade your creations. And with the variety of charms and beads available, every piece you make can be as unique as you are. In conclusion, the original Squishmallows Bracelet Design Set is a delightful kit that offers endless possibilities for creativity and fun. Whether you're crafting for yourself or creating gifts for others, this kit is sure to bring smiles and joy. With its charming characters, vibrant beads, and the ability to create over 25 accessories, it's a must-have for any Squishmallows fan or jewelry making enthusiast. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.